everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm going to show you how to install a fog light in your Hyundai Santa Fe. So there's a video on YouTube where a guy tries to install a fog light and he literally takes off the whole front of the vehicle. That is absolutely nuts. To install the fog light, it's actually super easy. All you need is one tool, and hopefully you guys can see there's one screw here and one screw here, and once you take these two screws off, all you have to do is wiggle this a little bit. This piece will come off and you're gonna have access through here.
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
Now these two bolts are off and this piece will come back, and if you can see up there, that's the fog light bulb. I'm not going to show you how to change that bulb because you should know, and it takes a H8 bulb. So thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content.